everyone. Today we're going to do a song entitled Lava Song. This song needs you to have 3 chords. The first chord is C chord, F chord, and G7 chord. So let's go through the chords one by one. C chord will be using your 3rd finger on the 3rd fret, 1st string. Let's try this together. Oh, by the way, while you're playing that, there is a strumming pattern to the song. So the strumming pattern goes like this: down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down. So let's try this together. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Now, next, we need to know our F chord. F chord, 1st finger on the 1st fret of the 2nd string. Next, 2nd fret, 4th string using your 2nd finger. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Down, 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 up, down, 3rd time. Down, up, down, 4th time. Down, up, down, and stop. Next, we have to try a new chord. This chord is known as the G7 chord. G7 chord, keeping your 1st finger where it is on the 2nd string of the 1st fret. Your 2nd finger comes down to the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, and the 3rd finger will be on the 1st string of the 2nd fret. Let's try this together. 1, 2, ready, go. Down, down, up, down, 3rd time. Down, down, 4th time. Down. So now you're familiar with the strumming pattern as well as the 3 chords. Let's try the chorus of the song. 1, 2, ready, go. I have a dream, I hope will come true, that you're here with me, and I'm here with you. I wish that the earth see the skies up above, will send me someone to love us. Now that you know all the 3 chords, let us do the chorus together, shall we? Ready? Starting from F. 1, 2, ready, go. I have a dream, I hope will come true, that you're here with me, and I'm here with you. I wish that the earth see the skies up above, will send me someone to love us. Let's try this one more time using the strumming pattern that we have learned, shall we? Okay. 1, 2, ready, go. I have a dream, I hope will come true, that you're here with me, and I'm here with you. I wish that the earth see the skies up above, will send me someone to love us.
A long, long time ago, there was a volcano living all alone in the middle of the sea. He sat high above his bay, watching all the couples play and wishing that he had someone too. And from his lover came this song of hope that he sang out loud every day for years and years. I have a dream I hope will come true, that you're here with me and I'm here with you. I wish that the earth see the sky up above will send me someone to love her. He was singing all alone, turned his lover into stone until he was on the brink of extinction. But little did he know that living in the sea below another volcano was listening to his song. Every day she heard his tune, her love grew and grew because she believed his song was meant for her. Now she was so ready to meet him above the sea as he sang his song of hope for the last time. I have a dream I hope will come true, that you're here with me and I'm here with you. I wish that the earth see the sky up above will send me someone to love her. Rising from the sea below stood a lovely volcano, looking all around, but she could not see him. He tried to sing to let her know that she was not alone, but with no lover his song was all done. He filled the sea with his tears, watching his dreams disappear as she remembered what his song meant to her. I have a dream I hope will come true, that you're here with me and I'm here with you. I wish that the earth see the sky up above will send me someone to love her. I know they were so happy to finally meet above the sea, and all together now their love grew and grew. No longer were they alone with Hawaii as their new home, and when you visit them, this is what they sing. I have a dream I hope will come true, that you're here with me and I'm here with you. I wish that the earth see the sky up above will send me someone to love her. I love you. I love you.
I hope you enjoyed yourself playing the lava song. Until the next time I see you, aloha! Bye-bye!